Data communication and networking concepts. What is network and why is it so important for us? A computer network consists of a collection of computers and other peripheral devices that are connected together, either by wired or wireless connection, so that they can communicate with each other. The computers in the network are known as nodes. Networking is done to share information among the interconnected computers. The best example of computer network is Internet. For example, school computer lab contains a number of computers attached to each other through cables known as LAN, Local Area Network. Advantages of network. The network increases the working capability of people, not only in terms of efficiency, but economically also. There are many advantages of networking. Sharing information. Sharing hardware resources such as printers and storage devices. Sharing software resources. Preserving information. Protecting information. Communication. Components of a network. Networking can be achieved in two ways. Wired networking. To implement wired networking, some hardware components are needed. Those are as follows. Network interface card. Network interface card, or NIC, is also referred to as an Ethernet card and network adapter. It is an expansion card that enables a computer to connect to a network, such as a home network or the Internet, using an Ethernet cable with an RJ45 connector. Networking ports and cables. Network cables are used to connect and transfer data and information between computers, routers, switches, and storage area networks. These cables are essentially the carrier or media through which data flows. The most commonly used is twisted pair cable. Hubs and switches. When a network has more than two computers, we require an interface for connecting and transmitting the data among them. This is achieved through hubs and switches. Each computer on a network is connected to hub or switch through Ethernet cable. Switches and hubs are box-like structures with multiple ports to which computers, printers, and other networking devices are connected. However, nowadays switches are used instead of hubs as they are more effective and provide better performance. Wireless networking. Wireless network refers to two or more computers communicating using standard network rules or protocols. It does not use Ethernet cabling to connect the computers together. Instead, radio signals are used to send information. The components required for wireless networking are Wireless Network Interface Card. It is a network interface controller that connects the computers via wireless radio-based computer network. Nowadays, Most PCs and laptops come with wireless network interface card. Routers. It is a networking device that connects two or more networks. They are located at gateways. Its function is to determine the best way for a packet to be forwarded to its destination. Though routers are basically hardware devices, but software-based routers also exist. Types of network. Networks can be of different types. They are differentiated depending upon the geographical area they cover. It can be as small as the distance between the mobile phone and its Bluetooth headphone, or as large as Internet itself. Let's discuss some of them. Personal Area Network, PAN. It is the smallest network. It is personal to a user. It has connectivity range up to 10 meters. It includes wireless computer keyboard and mouse, Bluetooth-enabled headphones, wireless printers, and TV remotes. For example, PicoNet is a Bluetooth-enabled personal area network which may contain up to 8 devices connected. Local Area Network, LAN. It is the interconnection of various computers and other peripheral devices within a building, a room, or a campus. It provides a useful way of sharing resources between end users. LAN can be wired or wireless or in both forms at once, so they use cables or low-power radio waves for connections. Example: within a school building, college campus, office campus, etc. Metropolitan Area Network, MAN. When the computers of the branch offices of a company within a city are needed to be connected, Metropolitan Area Network is used. It uses high-capacity and high-speed fiber optics. For example, Cable TV Network, Wide Area Network, WAN. It covers a wide area, that is, it connects devices within a state, countries, or even on different continents. Computers in WANs are usually connected through public networks such as telephone systems. Sometimes satellites are also used for network connections. These networks provide connectivity to LANs and MANs. Internet, Interconnected Network. It is the largest network on the earth. It is also known as Network of Networks. It uses the high-speed fiber optics. The Internet connects all WANs and it can have connection to LANs and home networks also. Through Internet, we are able to share and access huge amount of information worldwide. Network architecture. Network architecture refers to organization and allocation of tasks between the computers in a system. Two of the most widely used architecture models are peer-to-peer network or P2P network. In P2P network, All the computers connected have equal capability and capacity to use the resources available on the network. A peer-to-peer network is considered robust as if one or several nodes stop working, the network continues to function. It is mostly used for file sharing. One of the earliest peer-to-peer file sharing networks was Napster, and the recent protocol is BitTorrent. Client-server network. In this network, a number of network clients or workstations are connected to a main computer known as server. There can be more than one server. Network topology. Topology refers to the physical or logical layout of a network. It defines how different nodes in the network are interconnected with each other and how the data is transferred between these nodes. Bus topology. In this topology, every computer and network device is connected to a single cable. That central cable is backbone of the network. Ring topology. In this topology, computers are connected to each other, with the last one connected to first one and forming a ring-like structure. It has exactly two neighbors for each device. Star topology. In this topology, all the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable. This hub is a central node and all other nodes are connected to it. Mesh topology. It is a point-to-point connection to other nodes or devices. All the nodes in the network are connected to each other. Tree topology. It forms a hierarchy. In this topology, there is a root node and all other nodes are connected to it. It is also known as hierarchical topology. It should have at least 3 levels to hierarchy. Hybrid topology. In this topology, combinations of 2 or more topologies are used.